In this ArcMap demonstration, we're going to show how to set the transparency of a layer. Alright, I have a couple layers I'm going to set transparency on. One is the burn and the other is the tramping lake land ID here, or land layer. So right now the blue is colored solid and you can't see the digital image below it. So we're going to set the transparency on this layer. We're going to right mouse click on it, go properties, and then on the display tab here you can set transparency. We're going to set it to 75% and we'll hit apply, and you can see it now has changed. Alright, so now we're going to adjust the transparency on the burn layer. We're going to do it in a different way. We're going to come up here to customize, then we're going to go to toolbars, and we're going to choose the effects toolbar. The effects toolbar opens up. We are going to we want to make changes to the burn layer, and we'll go over here to adjust transparency, and then we can use this slider here. So we'll set it to 50%. And the transparency now changed, and we can see the satellite image underneath the burn. While we have this open, I'm going to show you that for a image layer, so we'll use the satellite black and white image that's here. You can see I can now adjust contrast and brightness using sliders as well. I can also adjust transparency on it as well, like I did with the non-photo image layer. We'll just set these back to being 0. Trouble getting it to be 0. Well, if I'm having trouble getting it to be 0, I can just come back here to the properties for that layer and go into display and set the contrast to 0 here. The other thing is, if you're setting transparency colors, transparency in layers, the symbols may change on you, or the color of the symbol in the legend may not quite match the coloring in the layer. To fix that, you can go to properties for the data frame, and from here you can go to right here under general. It says simulate layer transparency in legends. I can click OK or check that box off, and you'll see that when I hit apply, color is going to change here, and it should change in my legend as well. We'll see in the legend it's also changed. So if you want those to match, or you think to match better by setting that, go ahead and use it.